This is unimportant news. And today, guys, my sign has gone missing. And as I speak, this sign is literally falling off. So if you have any spotting of my former sign, please report it to RC News, because I need to have that back. And if you are one to have stolen it, believe me, you'll face the punishment. I'm watching. Hey Doc.
Yeah?
You have any, exotic pets around here?
Why would you ask that? What for?
Well, I just really need one. Bad. Can you please tell me where I can find one?
Yeah, I've been keeping a few. Here, follow me.
Alright, thanks, man. Hey, wait for me.
Here you go, RC News. Yes, my plan is coming into play. Ah! Oh, he does that.
Meanwhile,
Boo-hoo. I'll never get to be RC News again. Yes, it worked. No, why would you do such a thing?
I'm the real RC News, and you are going to be long forgotten. This man is already cooked. He just doesn't know yet. Ho ho ho. Money! And that concludes today's episode of RC News. And be wary, this man's punishment will be upon him very soon.